Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert currency in calculator app on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. So, Apple has added a bunch of new features in the calculator app, and one of those features is the ability to convert currencies in just a few simple steps. So, we will open our calculator application on iPhone, and then you'll want to click on this little calculator icon, which is at the bottom left of the screen. You'll then get a couple of different options, but the one option in which we're interested in is this convert option, and we want to enable this switch right here. That's going to open the currency converter in our calculator application, and you can see that we have one currency at the top, which is the American dollar in my case, and we have euro at the bottom. I can enter in a value in American dollars and it will automatically convert this into euros. If you need to switch the two and convert euros into dollars, we have this little switch icon, so just tap here once and your currencies will be switched or rotated. And lastly, if you need to change the currencies into something else, you'll want to tap on these two arrows next to the currency which you want to change, and that's going to open another page in the calculator, and you can find and select your currency on this list. Also, the new calculator app on iOS 18 gives us an option to convert other units such as the angle, area, energy, fuel, length, and many more things. So that's how we can convert the currency as well as other things in the calculator app on iPhone. Just update to iOS 18 and you'll get all of these features. So that's basically how you can convert currency in calculator app on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.